in figure, if PQ parallel to BC, PQ parallel to BC, PQ parallel to BC, A, B, C, PQ parallel to BC, PQ parallel to BC, find the value of X. Find the value of X. X here, X plus 2, then X plus 3, then 3X plus 1. Okay. Find the value of X. Okay, you know how to do this one. Use the basic proportionality theorem. PQ parallel to BC. We can write AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. Okay, find out. Okay. Kishore, what happened morning class? Hello, Kishore. Kishore. Hello. What happened morning? What happened here?
Sir, I forgot.
So you missed the now. So Karishma didn't attend. Ashwant didn't attend. Okay, we did a revision for that chapter till the this John. This John Jason. Who is this one? Nora John. Who is this one? NJ. Oh, okay, change the name. Okay. Nuha, what happened morning?
So yesterday we had one program, so we came late home.
Okay. Okay. Okay, try this one. Those who got, type the answer. Okay. The theorem apply what? AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. Okay, Muhammad Hafiz. So, anybody got the answer? Simple. You try AP divided by PB equal to AQ divided by QC. AQ divided by QC. Advait Krishna is getting? Hey, come on. So those who finish, type the answer. Exceed 12. Hey, come on, man. No, I think it's wrong. Nuha and Mandar, it is wrong. X equal to 3. X there are different answer now. 3 there is. Okay. 8 also there is. 2 also there is. Sarah, finish or not? So what you will do? X divided by x plus 2 equal to x plus 3 divided by 3x plus 1. Right? Okay. Cross multiply x into 3x plus 1 equal to x plus 3 into x plus 2. Then 3x square plus x equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Take other side. 3x square minus x square plus x minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. 2x square minus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. You can cut by 2. X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is splitting the middle term. X square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. X outside, x minus 3 plus x minus 3 equal to 0. So that is x minus 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is rejected. Okay. Minus 1 is how both x equal to 2. Minus 1 is rejected because length cannot be negative. So x equal to 3. Sarah, correct it. Kuditra, your splitting middle term is wrong.
Okay, sir.
Okay, clear now? The problem is maybe you made mistakes here splitting the middle term. So that is still facing problem. Okay. Class 8 on so you're studying this now, splitting the middle terms. 8, 9, 10, 3 year over now. Sarah, corrected now. This is not x equal to not 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 3 only. Okay. For all reach here, then made mistake. Muhammad Hafiz, you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question. Okay, so next one.
Sir,
Tell me. Hello, Harry.
yes, sir. Can you tell me why we are rejecting -1?
Length, how come negative? From
Okay,
Fahel
sir.
to Mangam. From Fahel to Mangam, can you say negative 2 kilometers?
No, sir.
That's the reason. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So next question. In figure, in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. This is parallel to BC. Okay. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Here, x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5. X plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5. Okay, try now.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Question, find the value of x. Okay. Question is what? Find the value of x.
Okay, sir.
It's also x equal to 3. Niveda. Okay. Yeah, okay. Margaret is getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sarah, finish or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you're all finished, type the answer. Okay. Muhammad Hafiz, what's your answer?
1 minute.
Okay. Okay, Nuha. Okay. Lena. Karishma, check again your, or send me your work. Let me see what you did. Karishma, send your work.
Okay, sir.
x by x plus 1 equal to, okay, x square plus 3x. Why you want to do like this? X square plus 4x plus how 1 into 3, how come 1? Karishma? No. See, x by x plus 1 equal to x plus 3 divided by x plus 5. So that is x into x plus 5 equal to x plus 3 into x plus 1. Okay. X square plus 5x equal to x into x square, or you multiply full 3x plus 3. So x square plus 5x equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. X square cancel. X equal to 3. You did okay. Garishma, you understand the mistake?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay. So next question. Advaita Krishna, Advaita P, is clear now? Kishore?
Yes, I understood now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In figure, angle P 90 degree. In figure, angle P 90 degree. In figure, angle P 90 degree. Angle B 90. Angle B 90. OB
So,
4.5.
in figure P, in figure.
Wait. In figure. Okay. Angle A 90. Angle A 90. Angle B 90. Okay. OB 4.5 centimeter. OB 4.5 centimeter. OA 6 centimeter. AP 4 centimeter. AP 4 centimeter. Find QB. Find QB. Okay. Question here. In figure 90, 90, 4.5, 6, 4, QB is missing. Okay, find out. Okay. What is the answer? X 3. Okay. Okay. Niveda is correct. Ashwant, correct? Okay. So you can show this. Hey, hello. Karishma, listen. You can try these two triangles are similar. Why? Angle A equal to angle B equal to 90. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2. vertically opposite angle, right? Therefore, triangle APO similar to triangle BQO. AA similarity. Then AP divided by BQ equal to AO divided by BO. AP 4 divided by BQ only. AO 6, BO 4.5. So 6 into BQ equal to 4 into 4.5. So BQ you have to find out. Okay. BQ is 3. Okay. You got?
No, sir.
Sarah, you got?
I'm still doing, sir.
Still doing, okay. Sarah, finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Margaret, finish?
No, sir, doing.
Okay. Finished first. I did all. Okay. So Roshan, finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sadiq.
Yes, I completed. I got the answer.
Okay. Next question. In triangle ABC, we are doing the final work of this chapter. Okay. So that's why all because the main section is deleted now. Pythagoras theorem, area dropped. So for you, only similarity issues only. In triangle ABC, X and Y are points. X and Y are points on AB and AC in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, X and Y are points on AB and AC. X and Y are points on AB and AC, such that AX by XB equal to 3 by 4. 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 A, B, C, XY, XY parallel to BC, then AX by XB. AX by XB equal to 3 by 4. AY 5. AY equal to 5. YC equal to 9. Okay. Then state whether xy what I said, listen once again. See the question again. In triangle ABC, x and y are points on AB and AC. Correct or no? That's all I said, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Such that AX by XB equal to 3 by 4. AX by XB equal to 3 by 4. AY equal to 5. AY equal to 5. YC equal to 9. YC equal to 9. Then state whether XY parallel to BC or not. State whether XY parallel to BC or not. State whether XY parallel to BC or not. XY parallel to BC or not. Okay, try now. You have to check whether XY parallel or not, parallel to BC or not.
Sir, by converse basic proportional.
I don't know. You check that one. You do it. Okay. Hello, Dania, you late?
Yes, I'm sorry. I had another class and kind of extended for a bit. I'm sorry.
They are not parallel. Sure. Sarah Ahmed, not parallel.
Yes, sir, that's what I got.
Why it is not parallel? What basis? You got okay. AX by XB equal to 3 by 4. Okay. AY by YC 5 by 9. Okay, that means these are not equal, correct or no? AX by XB not equal to AY by YC. So then by converse of basic proportionality theorem, they are not parallel. Correct or no? Okay. Okay, now next question. Okay, next one I'm sending the question. Okay. Okay, I send the question. Okay, copy the question. Okay, try this one. Find the value of x. Those who finish, type it. Yes, Lena is correct. Okay, answer is what? Answer. Okay, Milan, correct. Swadik, correct. Vidant, correct. Janil, correct. Lena, correct. Okay, rest all. Type fast. Niveda, correct. John Jason, correct. Hello, speed up. We are still in. This is a basic level questions. Okay. Sarah, is correct. It's not parallel. Come on, wonder. What is the question? Question is not parallel or not married. You find the value of x. You're sleeping. Wonder. The question is find the value of x. Okay. Knew her. It's wrong. Recheck it. Nuha, check this question.
Okay, sir.
Dania, getting?
Kind of, sir. I just 1 minute. I have to complete.
How come Harry negative answer? I told you just now, no, length cannot be negative. You put x equal to negative value. How? Aaron is correct. Why I always saying negative answer? A, B, C. Okay. D here, E here. Okay. DE parallel to AB. AD equal to 2x. 2x. DC x plus 3. BE 2x minus 1. CE x. Okay. So here x plus 3 divided by 2x equal to x by 2x minus 1. Correct or no? This line parallel here. So CD by AD equal to CE by EB. X plus 3 into 2x minus 1 equal to x into 2x, right?
So it should be like 2x by x plus 3, right?
Yeah, that both are same. If you write 2x by x plus 3 equal to x plus 1 by x, both are same. Okay. Sada Ahmad, that is wrong. Okay, cross multiply 2x square minus x plus 6x minus 3 equal to 2x square, right? 2x square cancel both sides. So then 5x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 5. Okay, Uditra, you got?
Yes, sir. I got it correct.
Even you got 2x divided by x plus 3 equal to 2x plus 1 by x. Same only, look. Right? Cross multiplication will be same. Okay. Sarah Ahmad, correct it. Nuha, correct it. Harry, correct it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so next question. Right. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Okay. And AD square equal to BD into DC. AD square equal to BD into DC. Show that angle be 90 degree. Show that angle be 90 degree. Show that angle be 90. Question again. In triangle ABC. Okay. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. AD square and AD perpendicular to BC. AD square equal to BD into DC. Prove that angle at 90. Prove that angle A 90 degree. Okay. I'll show this question. Hello. Question clear or not? In triangle, once again, in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. Okay. AD square equal to BD into DC. Prove that angle A 90 degree. Okay. Look at here. I'll show this one. It's a star question. Okay. AD square equal to BD into DC. That is given, right? So we can write AD into AD equal to BD into DC. Right or not? Then this
Yes,
one we
sir.
can write AD by here AD by CD equal to BD. Can I write these steps? This is given. This I expanded. Then this is same another order. Correct or not? AD square equal to BD into CD. This is okay or not? Hello. Everyone check. This is correct or not? Listen. Given AD square equal to BD into DC. You write given. So I just AD square is AD into AD equal to BD into DC. Then I wrote AD. I wrote here AD here. So AD square. CD here. BD here. Okay. Now look at the figure. AD by CD equal to BD by AD. In between angle 90. Correct or no? Right? Listen. AD by CD equal to BD by AD and angle D 90 degree. So that means these triangles are similar. Which one? Triangle ADC similar to triangle BDA, right? Triangle BDA. Right? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Therefore, these triangles are similar by SAS similarity. Are you okay here or not? Aaron, is clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Anyone doubt up to here? Almia joined just now. Okay. Almia, you join up to here now. Okay.
No, sir, I was here earlier.
Okay. So now everyone write. Listen. I noticed in our test when you guys not drawing the figure, even the question paper figure is there. You're supposed to draw geometry questions. You draw the figure. Okay. Okay. Now you write here. Proof AD square equal to BD into DC. Okay, AD square equal to BD into DC given. So AD into AD equal to BD into DC. Then just rearrangement. AD by CD equal to BD by AD. And angle ADC, right? Angle ADC equal to angle BDA equal to 90 degree given. Angle ADC equal to angle BDA 90 degree given. Therefore, triangle ADC similar to triangle BDA. ADC similar to ADC similar to BDA. SIS similarity. SIS similarity. Okay. Okay. Now, wait. Hello, listen now. In triangle ADC, this angle 1 equal to BDA, this angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. In similar triangle, corresponding angles are equal. Then C where this angle 3. ADC is equal to this angle. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Similar triangle, corresponding angle similar. Hey, hello. Write clearly. Listen. ADC. This angle equal to BDA. BD. This one and this one equal. Why? In similar triangle, corresponding angles are equal.
Similarly, this angle and this angle equal. Just check the letter ADC, C. BDA, last angle A. Okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Then angle 3 equal to angle 4. After that, hey, don't write down. In triangle ADC, in triangle BAC, BAC, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 1 equal to 180. Correct or no? 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, 180. Instead of 2, I can write 1. Instead of 3, I can write angle 4 plus angle 4 plus angle 1 equal to 180. So that means 2 times of angle 1, 2 times of angle 4 equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 90. Hence, angle A 90 degree. Hence, angle A equal to 90 degree. It's okay. Lena, is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Nuha, it's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So you can write yourself, right? So write exactly like this. Okay, this is star question. Okay. It went okay, Ashwant, it's clear or not? Janil, John Jason?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have another method this question, but unfortunately, this is they will ask you. For you, this will ask you using similarity. That's the problem. Otherwise, it will be more easy way I have. Can I say that also? Hello.
Yes, sir.
If the question, listen, if the question is blank, then they didn't say anything about method. Okay, I'm sure about this year. They will ask you using similarity. What? Using similarity, prove it. Otherwise, I'll prefer another method. Look at here. Okay, in triangle ADB, what is AB square? In triangle ADB, what is AB square? Hello?
AD into BD.
Okay, then don't use it. Okay, forget about that method. Okay, because you have no idea Pythagoras theorem. Okay, AB square equal to AD into AB. Okay, forget about that method. Okay, I don't want that. Okay, right. Next question. In figure, Uditra, what the theorem you are saying? Is Pythagoras theorem? Come on, don't. The Pythagoras ghost will come and kill you. Okay, okay. You're insulting the Pythagoras. Okay. Right. Question. Next question. I'm sending the question. Okay. Okay. Try this one. In figure, AB parallel DC, find the value of X. No, forget about that method now. Chitra. Okay, leave it. Okay, you try this. Okay. Okay, try this one. Okay, try this one. A, B, C, D. And GIS currently which chapter is going on? Hello.
Triangles.
Triangles only. Okay. So you are doing the Pythagoras theorem part, right? No.
No, sir, you're not doing.
Okay. Okay, try this one. Niveda, yes, Niveda, it's correct. Okay. Okay, we're all finished. Type the answer. Kishore. Kishore, you're very sleepy man, no? Even 6 o'clock, when I arrange 6:30, you slept. 8 o'clock also is sleeping. Tomorrow also we have class. You know that?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow I'll attend.
Okay. Tomorrow we need a graph paper and okay. 3 classes. Actually, this for because we got a chance holidays. to revise the chapter. That's why I'm doing this one. Gulf Indian students, focus your test portions. Linear equations, okay, I leave it. I'll do it. Polynomials, very short portion only for you. Quadratic polynomials only. That you make sure it. Okay. And Indian National, you add number system also. DPS test is coming. How many chapters? DPS guys, hello. Harry, it's correct. Okay. Uditra, you have any test?
Sir, on 8th I have Hindi test, sir.
I don't bother about Hindi test. Okay. So I am asking math test when.
Sir, date I don't know.
Okay, okay. Okay. So only two guys only finished. Niveda and Harry. Okay. Lena, it's wrong. Okay. Lena, check it. Karishma, correct. Karishma is correct. Milan, correct. I'll wait. I'll wait. Let's finish all. Okay. Ashwant. Okay, correct. Do it, Krishna. Finish it fast. Aaron, finish it fast. John Jason, wrong. Janil, Jamai, Prida. Prida just joined now, right? Prida. Hello, Prida, you late? Hello, Prida. Priyanshu, you got the answer. Roshan, Sarah Ahmed, Sarah. Hey, why Ved and where you're in batch A, no? Why this batch?
So because last class I missed.
The similar triangle? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Sarah is correct. Okay, what about Astron? Nuha, finish it fast. The question is what? Here, this is x plus x minus 2. Okay. This one x minus 1. This one x plus 3. Here x plus 5. Okay. DC parallel to AB. So this angle equal. Alternate angles. This angle and this angle equal alternate angles. So we can say triangle AOB. AOB similar to triangle COD. AOB similar to COD. Then AO divided by CO equal to OB divided by OD. AO divided by CO equal to OB by OD. AO x plus 5 divided by CO x plus 3 equal to OB x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Okay. Okay, so cross multiply x plus 5 into x minus 2 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. X into x, x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. X square cancel. X equal to minus 3 plus 10 equal to 7. X equal to 7. Okay. Okay. Could all not getting? Copy this one. Okay. Now I send you another question. I send you another question. Copy. This is a star question. Okay. Okay. I'll show this question. Okay. You just draw the figure. A, B, C. Because AD is a median. AD is a median and O is a point on OD. O here. And is extended here X. OD equal to DX. Okay. Then join this one. Join this one. Here. VO and C, this is produced. This one produced. This is E. Here F. Okay. This is the figure. Okay. The question, listen out. After drawing, just listen. I'll explain this question. Okay. Question again, I'll read. Listen. AD is a median. So AD is a median means D is the midpoint. On AD, BO and CO produce intersect at E and F respectively. Okay. Now AD is produced to DX such that OD equal to this one. Okay. Prove that EF parallel to BC. First part. This line parallel to this one. Second part, AO into AX. AO into AX equal to AF into AC. AF into AB. Okay. AF into AB. Okay. Okay. So hello. The figure. You finish the figure. You did the figure or not? Hello. Finish the figure.
Yes.
Okay. So now our requirement is hello. Our requirement is what? EF parallel to BC, right? Hey, listen, don't write now. EF, we have shown that EF parallel to BC. So is it enough AE by EB equal to AF by FC? No. To prove EF parallel to BC, is it okay if I prove AE by EB equal to AF by FC? That's okay, no? Hello, is it okay or not? Why no one responding?
Yes.
Right? Because that's enough. Because our requirement is EF parallel to BC. EF parallel to BC. In order to show EF parallel to BC, I'm showing AE by EB equal to AF by FC. Okay, then by what theorem that? Harry? Hello, Harry. What
Yes,
theorem
sir.
that? Our requirement is EF parallel to BC. EF parallel to BC. Instead of that, I'm showing AE by EB equal to AF by FC. So what basis that we can say EF parallel to BC?
Sir, by converse of basic.
By converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say EF parallel to BC. That's our plan. The end will be like that. Okay, Lena, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sarah, is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, my question, I didn't show anything. I just telling we will prove AE by EB equal to AF by FC. Then we can write by converse of basic proportionality theorem EF parallel to BC. Okay. How will show that? That's the question. Okay. Is it parallel OE parallel to DX? A question. Jamai, answer. OE parallel to BX?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Why? Why parallel? Reason.
So converse of Thales theorem.
My dear, my question, listen. My question is, what? Is it OE parallel to BX? See the question, look at the figure, then answer it. My question is, OE parallel to BX or not? Janil? Janil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I don't want. Whether my question, whether OE parallel to BX.
Yes, sir.
Reason I need. Simply don't say whether parallel or not. Anyone can answer it. No reason. Lena?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the reason? OE parallel to BX. Any reason? If you have reason, tell me. No reason. Sarah,
Yes, sir.
is it a parallel?
Yes, sir, it's parallel.
Why?
No.
But no, now Sarah answering. Okay.
No,
What's
sir,
the
the
reason?
figure is wrong.
Yes.
The,
Figure is correct, man. Figure is correct.
sir, it's F and the E and F is
Yeah,
Interchanged.
okay, that is no problem. Okay. F, you mean F here, right? E here. Okay. Then OF
Yes,
parallel
sir.
to BX. Okay. OF parallel to BX. Sarah, you have any reason? Or simply you said?
I don't have any reason, sir.
No reason. Okay. And Niveda, you have any reason? Niveda, any reason?
No, sir.
No reason. Aaron, come on. Anyone can answer. What is the reason OF parallel to XB or BX? What is the reason? Come on. Ashwant, Dania, Viraj, no, not Viraj is batch. Okay. Karishma,
So,
Prida,
is it because OF is an extension of OC and OC is parallel to BX?
wait. OC parallel to BX, why? I agree with you. It's an extension of OC and OC parallel to BX. What is the reason OC parallel to BX?
Yes, sir.
Hey, wait, one, I gave you chance. Now Prida is answering. So that time you keep quiet. Listen, what she's saying. Prida, continue. Prida,
Yes, sir.
what is the reason OC parallel to BX? No reason. Okay.
No reason.
Okay, Uditra want to answer. Okay.
Sir, if we look at BO means.
Hey, come on. In mathematically, look at that is not a solid proof.
Sir,
Okay.
when you look, no, sir.
No. When I look,
Not, sir.
no. Wait. With the valid reason is there or not? Not look. Look, we cannot prove anything in mathematics.
Sir,
Okay.
BOCX is a parallelogram.
Yes.
So,
Tell me that. BOCX
BOCX is a parallelogram.
BOCX is a parallel. That is a valid reason. Correct?
That is.
Okay. Reason is what? Hello, Uditra, well done. You said. Okay. BOCX is a parallelogram. Correct? Because
Yes,
BD equal to DC and OD equal to DX. You didn't read the others. They didn't read the question because in a quadrilateral, diagonal bisect each other. It is a parallelogram. Correct? Prida, Niveda, Lena, clear now?
yes. Sir.
Okay. So it's a parallelogram. Which one parallelogram? BOCX is a parallelogram. In a quadrilateral, diagonal bisect each other. It is a parallelogram. Now, what Prida said, CO is extended. So OF parallel to BX. This line parallel here. So we can write AF by FB equal to AO divided by OX. Call it number 1. Because this triangle ABX, which one? ABX OF parallel to BX. Therefore, AF by FB equal to AO by OX. Basic proportional theorem. Similarly, OE parallel to CX. OE parallel to XC. So we can again write AE divided by EC equal to AO divided by AX. AO divided by OX. Number 2. So this side is equal. So what you got? AF by FB equal to AE by FC. Then by converse of basic proportionality theorem, FE parallel to BC. Clear or not? Are you okay? Okay or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll give the note. Don't write yourself. Okay, it's a good question. Okay, right. We can start from okay. BD equal right full reason. BD equal to DC. BD equal to DC.
in bracket, right? AD is a median. AD is a median. AD is a median. Okay. Then OD equal to DX given. OD equal to DX given. Therefore, BO CX is a parallelogram. BO CX is a parallelogram. Okay. Reason what? In a quadrilateral, diagonal bisect each other, it is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral, diagonal bisect each other is a parallelogram. Okay. Then, hence, CO parallel to BX, CO parallel to BX, and BO parallel to CX. Okay. Then,
Sir, can you repeat the last line?
right, you already said now, hence CO parallel to BX and BO parallel to CX. This line parallel here, this line parallel here. Up to here, okay? In bracket, you write in parallelogram, that in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Okay, up to that. In triangle ABX. In triangle A, look at the figure. In triangle ABX, OF parallel to BX. OF parallel to BX. Okay. In bracket, you can write OF is the extended part of OC. OF is the extended part of OF is the extended of OC. Not writing also no problem, right? OF parallel to BX. Okay. Then by basic proportionality theorem, AF by FB equal to AO by OX. AO by OX. AO by OX. Okay. Then let's call it number one. Similarly, in triangle ACX. In triangle ACX, OE parallel to CX. OE parallel to CX. Then by basic proportionality theorem, AE by EC equal to AO by OX. AO by OX. Okay. From one, it's called 2. From 1 and 2 we get. From 1 and 2 we get AF by FB. AF by FB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay. Then by converse of basic proportionality theorem, FE parallel to BC. FE parallel to BC. Okay, FE parallel to BC. Is it okay? Clear or not? Everyone go through the note. If it is okay, then we can. Now one more section is there, this question, okay? Okay. Okay, I give it time, take 3 minutes, just go through the answer. The step is what? First show OC parallel to BX and OB parallel to X. Okay, first one, this line parallel here, this line parallel here. How? You just show BXCO is a parallelogram. How to show that? In parallelogram diagonal by in a quadrilateral diagonal bisect each other, it is a parallelogram. Then triangle ABX by basic proportionality theorem. This is parallel to this one. Next, this is parallel to this one. Okay. Now, second part we are using from the first part. Okay. Look, we have OX by OA equal to FB divided by AF. What you will find out? AO into AX. AO into AX, the full line we need. Okay, so look at here. In the first one, we got AF by FB equal to AO by OX. So that one we can write OX by OA. Just take the reciprocal. Correct or no? If A by B equal to C by D, we can write B by A equal to D by C. Okay. So OX by OA equal to FB by AF. Adding 1 on both sides. OA by OA plus 1 equal to FB divided by AF plus 1. Take the LCM. OA plus X. OX plus by OX equal to FB plus AF by AF. Okay, what is that? OA, check the figure. OA plus OX is AX. AX by OX equal to FB plus B AF AB divided by AF. So finish. AX.
So shouldn't it be OX by OA plus 1?
Yeah, okay, I made a mistake. Okay, you're right. OX divided by OA plus 1 equal to FB divided by AF plus 1. So OX plus OA divided by OA equal to FB plus AF divided by AF. Okay. So OX plus OA, that is AX by OA equal to FB plus AF, that is AB divided by AF. This one we will find out. AO is to AX equal to AF is to AB. Okay. Okay. So everyone check this question. Okay, this is a good question. Now, after that, I'm sending another question. Okay. Okay. Those who finish, we can try next question. Okay. Next question, draw the figure. Try. Okay, we try this one. In figure, angle BED equal to angle BDE is the midpoint of BC. Prove that AF by CF equal to AD by BE. Okay. Hello. Everyone finish the figure and then I'll explain here. Hello, finish or not?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Then don't start because I have to explain this question. Okay. Hello. This is also star question. Okay. Oh, no. It's not fit here. A, B, C. Okay. In triangle ABC is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Is the midpoint of BC. Then prove that AF by what you show? AF by CF equal to AD by BE. Okay. AD by BE. Okay. Maybe this question may be AD by EC also. Sometimes AD by EC also. Okay. Look at here. There is a shorter construction through B, through C, draw a line parallel here, like this. This line parallel here. We can call F, not F, G. Okay. Right. Construction through C, right? Construction through C, draw CG parallel to DF. Through C, draw CG parallel to DF. Through C, draw CG parallel to DF. Clear now? Through C, draw CG parallel to DF. Okay. Okay, stop. What is given here? Angle BED, this angle, and angle BDE, this angle. Okay, Nevada. In triangle BDE, angle E and angle D equal. What is the meaning that?
Sir, can you repeat?
Question is in triangle BDE, angle E equal to angle D. So, which sides equal?
BD is equal to
BD equal to
BD equal to B. Correct or no? BD equal to D. Okay. Right. Proof. Start now. Proof. Okay. Hello. Everyone okay now? Construction is what? Through C, draw CG parallel to DF. Okay. Then right. In triangle BDE. In triangle BDE, angle D equal to angle E given. Angle D equal to angle E given. Okay. Therefore, in triangle BDE, angle D equal to angle E given. Therefore, BD equal to BE. Number one. Reason sides opposite to equal sides are equal. Sides opposite to equal sides are equal. Sides opposite to equal sides are equal. Right or no? Yes, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Yes. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. Now, don't write. Look, in triangle BCG, which one? BCG is the midpoint, ED parallel to CG. So what about D? No. in triangle BCD is the midpoint. ED parallel to CG. So what about D?
D is the midpoint of BG.
D is the midpoint of BG by converse of midpoint theorem. Correct or no?
Yeah.
Okay, right. In triangle BCG. In triangle BCG. In triangle BCG. E is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of BC given ED parallel to CG by construction. ED parallel to CG by construction. Okay. Then by converse of midpoint theorem. D is the midpoint of BG. Okay. By converse of midpoint theorem, D is the midpoint of BG. That is GD equal to BD. GD equal to BD. Number 2. Okay. From 1 and 2 we get GD equal to BD equal to BE equal to EC. Number 3. This
So
equal
D
to
is the midpoint of
BG. D is the midpoint of BG. Hence, GD equal to BD. Okay. And BD equal to BE. BE equal to EC. Okay. Is it okay? Everyone clear up to here? Jumai, Janil.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So listen. Once again, I'll explain what I did. First, through C, draw a line parallel to DF, which intersect AB at G. That is the construction. Then in triangle BDE, angle D and E are equal. Therefore, BD equal to BE, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Then I took triangle BGEC, E is the midpoint, ED parallel to DG. So D is the midpoint of BG. So we got DG equal to BD. From 1 and 2 we got DG equal to BD equal to BE equal to EC. I simply wrote EC also correct because it's a midpoint. Okay, now last section. The big triangle. In triangle ADF. In triangle ADF, GC parallel to DF. Then by basic proportionality theorem, AC by AF. Okay, we can write full AF by straight away writing CF equal to AD by GD. Okay, no? Listen, last line. In triangle ADF. Okay. This line parallel here. So that means AF divided by CF equal to AD by GD. But GD equal to BD. BD equal to BE. That's only here. Look. But AF by CF equal to AD by G. G or we want BE only. So right. This Ved and Vera, you didn't attend the morning class, right?
Yes, sir. We had some pest control at home.
Okay. So you missed that chance because that's a good revision. We did linear equations in 2 variables. I won't do any revision further. Okay. You have to prepare yourself on that. I won't record also that because revision question I should record. So study up to here now. Next class when? Saturday. Saturday also I'll continue this chapter. Okay. Then I'll do this complete revisions. Then I'll go to your what do you call DPS 1 chapter, that one shorter chapter. Which one that? Probability, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that 1 or 2 class enough. Okay, so finish up to here, study up to here. Tomorrow morning you have class continuation of the continuation of linear equations. Okay.